Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. If your Google AdSense account has been deactivated, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to reactivate your AdSense account and start earning again. So let's jump right in. To Google and type AdSense on search, then click on the first link, then click on connection. Use your Google or your Gmail account to go into your account. Then go back and use this link. I will drop it on the description. Enter, then you will have this page. Then click on reactivate the account. Ta-da! Your Google AdSense account is once again reactivated. So now all you need to do is to enter information, then put your website, then drop the HTML of the AdSense boxes into your website, then wait. After 24 hours or 2 days you will have a Google answer into your Gmail. So thank you for watching this video. If you found that this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe on our channel. Thank you so much.